Now, taking a look at more news from across the region, Henry County, Virginia isn't the only local government entity that plans to begin enforcement on the operations of skill games. Pennsylvania County, Virginia officials have announced that they also plan to begin enforcing the ban on skill games. In 2020, the Virginia General Assembly enacted laws declaring so-called skill games to be illegal gambling devices. Now, the laws were amended by the General Assembly in 2022, and they continue to make possessing, operating, or playing a skill game a criminal offense of illegal gambling. A lawsuit was filed in Greensville County, Virginia, which challenged the General Assembly's skill games ban. The Greensville Circuit Court, in that case, entered an injunction prohibiting enforcement of the ban until a trial could be held, and the injunction was appealed to the Supreme Court of Virginia. On October the 13th, the Virginia Supreme Court vacated the injunction, which had prohibited enforcement of the laws against skill games. Now, in light of the ruling issued by the Virginia Supreme Court, the Pennsylvania County Sheriff's Office, in cooperation with the Pennsylvania County Commonwealth's Attorney's Office and the Pennsylvania County Attorney's Office, will resume enforcement of the code related to illegal gambling and skill machines. According to a news release from Pennsylvania County government, enforcement will begin on Monday, November the 20th. Under the law, any person operating a skill game device or devices may be subject to a civil proceeding, and that seeks a civil penalty in the amount of $25,000 per gambling device, an immediate injunction prohibiting operation of gambling devices, seizure of the gambling devices, and costs associated with investigating and bringing the lawsuit, including attorney fees. There are also some criminal penalties, both misdemeanors and felonies, involving skill games in Virginia. They include penalties for illegal gambling, conducting illegal gambling operations, and illegal possession of gambling devices. Pennsylvania County officials remind everyone that operation of skill games is a violation of the county's zoning ordinance. These uses were only allowed in certain districts with a special use permit. The county says no special use permits have been issued at the present time. Now, if you have any questions about skill games in Pennsylvania County, Virginia, you can contact the Pennsylvania County Sheriff's Office.